I'm making this video because I recently sold a dryer that I had. The dryer was working fine, but when the person bought it, they waited 2 weeks before they contacted me to tell me that they were having issues with the dryer. And not only did they wait 2 weeks, they waited until after they guilt-tripped someone into buying them a new dryer. Now, when you buy a new dryer or used dryer, sometimes the drum will shift in the process of shipping it, moving it around. Just tipping it back with a set of hand trucks can knock the drum out of whack. And it's a real easy fix. You can either run the dryer for a couple days or a couple times, and it'll go back into place by itself sometimes. Sometimes you got to reach inside and grab the drum and pull the drum back into place. And sometimes you got to take the back off and physically push the drum back into place. But the point is, if you buy a dryer and it's making a scraping noise, before freaking out and thinking you bought a piece of crap, try them little tips. Reach in there, grab the drum, shake it back and forth, or run it a couple times. And if that don't work, take the back off and look. But don't accuse people of selling crap whenever they sold you something that worked perfect in their house. Thank you for watching. I know this ain't an exciting video, but it's just something I felt like needed to be done. Don't be quick to judge people. Sometimes they're actually trying to help you out.